All right, we were just sent this wonderful LED light strip for your truck, and we put it on the bottom side of our glass on our cabin. So then that way people can see what is happening, what is going on. Hey, my car's on the side of the road, or whether you're in construction or you are in the wintertime and you're plowing snow. So then that way people can see, hey, I'm right here. So what I love about it is I love the length 60 inches. So that is going to cover majority of the trucks from side to side. But then I love how easy it is to install, and the adhesive on the back are there's little hooks that you can hook it to. But again, we just did it on the bottom of our window because it's bright. So what I love is I love how bright it is. I love the build quality. I love the quality of the adhesive where it's going to stick on there. It's not going to ruin the paint, but it's not going to come off, and it's going to withstand the wear and tear of Mother Nature. And it has plenty of cabling to go put it on the back, run it inside into your cigarette outlet. So then that way you can easily power it. So the bottom button is your power button, and the top button is where you can change the light pattern. Again, how bright in the multiple handfuls of different light patterns. So then that way there's certain pattern that you need. This has it. And again, so whether you are in constructions, you're plowing snow, whatever your need is, having this emergency LED light strip, this is the one I would get. Build quality, adhesive is rock on. And again, the multiple brightness patterns that come with this, very well built. So I would definitely get this today.